Snowflakes dancing gently as they fall. Stockings hung by the fire on the wall. Joy to every heart, big or small. Sleigh bells ringing with a joyful sound. Children laughing all around town. Warm cocoa sipped, not a single frown. Magic in the air where love is found. It's Christmas time, let's celebrate. Hearts so full, we just can't wait. Gifts and laughter, bonds create. Moments golden, memories great. Friends and family gather near and dear. Whispers of hope fill the atmosphere. Carols sung with voices loud and clear. Wishing all a season of cheer. Candy cane, wishes and gingerbread dreams. Under the mistletoe, love redeems. Every corner with lighted gleams. This is what Christmas truly means. It's Christmas time, let's celebrate. Hearts so full, we just can't wait. Gifts and laughter, bonds create. Moments golden, memories great. Moments golden, memories great. Woke up in the morning, sky looked gray. Got no plans, just gonna fade away. Coffee's cold, the toast is burned. Life's on pause, lessons unlearned. Check my phone, not a single text. Guess I'm free from the world's complex. Dishes in the sink like a mountain high. Laundry's piled, can't even try. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash. In a world where nothing's rash. Walked outside, shoes untied. No thoughts, no cares, no need to hide. Neighbors wave but don't say a word. In silence loud, I am undeterred. Back inside, no clock to chase. Every moment an empty space. No worry lies, no set of keys. Just the wind and the whispering trees. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash. In a world where nothing's rash. My friend, no deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash. In a world where nothing's rash. Folded and creased to blooming light. A garden made in the still of night. Your petals whisper tales so sweet. In silence where two hearts can meet. Colors drawn from a wishful mind. Origami love hard to find. Paper dreams in fragile grace. Cradle hope in your embrace. Paper flowers dance on breeze. Roots and dreams that hearts at ease.